when its family depends on it to provide food for their survival. Their sharp hooves and incredible balance allow them to traverse the most treacherous terrain with ease. It's a harsh reality of life in the mountains, a never-ending struggle for survival. While the goats are well adapted to the treacherous terrain, the bear is not so nimble. One misstep could mean certain death for the bear, but hunger drives it forward. For the goats, the cliff is a sanctuary, a place where they can escape the bear's clutches. As the bear reaches the edge of the cliff, it must be a crucial decision. The bear retreats, acknowledging the limits of its strength and agility. But as it turns to leave, the bear's luck runs out. The fall from such a height is certain death.